Malayan Colleges Mindanao, a Mapúa School, continues to innovate beyond limits amidst difficulties brought about by the pandemic. While it has not been easy for many of us, MCM aims to innovate solutions and create an adaptive learning environment. Soon, MCM will be reopening its campus for limited face-to-face classes while mitigating health and safety risks. We have retrofitted the campus to ensure that all safety measures are met and that each facility is aimed to provide a safe and effective learning experience. Acrylic barriers are installed to prevent respiratory droplets from spreading in classrooms and laboratories. Air conditioning units and fans are provided in each room for steady airflow and regulated temperature. Open windows are also mandatory for improved ventilation. Upon enrollment, students will be given the option between fully online learning or blended learning mode. For blended learning, only a maximum of 20 students per class will be allowed for on-campus courses. Laboratories, classrooms, and enclosed spaces are arranged to ensure at least a 2-meter physical distance between students. Video conferencing tools will be used for students who are learning from their homes. Recorded classes may also be accessed by students with weak internet connections from the school's online learning portal. Once outside of the classroom, students must follow safety guidelines. Signages are posted outside facilities like the washroom, elevators, library, and along the floors to ensure proper foot traffic and safe distancing. In the event that a student or staff begins to exhibit coughs, colds, or fever, they must visit the MCM clinic to be monitored and isolated appropriately. Their guardians will then be contacted following protocols for possible COVID-19 cases. Until approval and authority to reopen are secured from CHED, DepEd, and the LGU, MCM continues to prepare its campus and aims to keep everyone in the community safe and healthy. As MCM opens its gates again for limited face-to-face classes, let us work together to keep each other safe and keep the MCM campus COVID-free.